What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my space. As you can see by the title, I'm making pineapple raspberry juice with a touch of ginger. Stick around with me. Let me show you how I make this lovely juice. Sister J's way, Sister J's version.
People not go like you, not feel like them neither. The place full of greatness, but only few believers. Them say what, you to Caesar, you forgive to Caesar. But just so Caesar not go get it till the day him reach ya. No, I'm in a mean for be rude. But mongrel always itch up anywhere them can't get food. Now me see this naked and on the nude. Cause everybody get the same plate but different food. That place sweet. Friends kill friends, I'll get down.
So here I have the raspberry. And this is the pineapple. I'm going to be using some ground ginger. And I'm going to put a little sugar in it. I'm going to be using the brown sugar. Okay guys, so I go ahead and I peel the pineapple. Cut it up and wash it. And this is the raspberry. So now it's time to blend my juice. Guys, I'm gonna blend the pineapple first. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in it. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna have the raspberry in. Guys, with this blender we don't need no straining, okay? Okay, I'm using the ground ginger. I use fresh ginger sometimes, but at this moment I'm using the ground ginger and just a small portion of brown sugar. Okay guys, my juice should be ready. Pineapple, raspberry juice. Look at this, guys. Wow, look how smooth this is. Real juice, guys. See it, guys? No straining. We don't need no straining with this. See that? Yes guys, so this is what it looked like. Pineapple raspberry juice. There you have it guys. My pineapple raspberry juice. Hi, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Sister J say, one love.